എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി മനോജ് നമ്പ്യാർസ് ട്രാവൽ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ എയർപോർട്ട് റാമ്പ് സർവീസസിനെ പറ്റിയും എയർപോർട്ട് റാമ്പ് സർവീസസിലെ ജോലി സാധ്യതകളെ പറ്റിയുമാണ്. എയർപോർട്ട് റാമ്പ് സർവീസസ് ജോലിക്ക് ശ്രമിക്കുന്നവർ അയാട്ട എയർപോർട്ട് റാമ്പ് സർവീസസ് ഡിപ്ലോമ കോഴ്സ് പഠിക്കുന്നത് എന്തുകൊണ്ടും നല്ലതായിരിക്കും. The world of airport ramp services. Aviation is a very dynamic and exciting industry, not like many others. It offers a variety of positions, demanding a variety of skills and abilities, from handling aircraft on the ground to controlling them in the air, from handling difficult passengers to handling special cargo. You may be considering a first-time career in aviation or a career change from within the industry. In any case, the knowledge and experience you acquire in airport ramp services will give you a very firm footing in the industry. Many successful professionals in aviation have begun their career on the ramp. Airport ramp services take place on the airport ramp, which is the area of the airport where aircrafts are parked, unloaded, refueled or boarded. ഇനി നമുക്ക് എയർപോർട്ട് റാമ്പ് സർവീസസ് എന്താണെന്ന് നോക്കാം. Upon arrival at an airport, after an aircraft has landed and taxied under its own power to an allocated parking position, a number of services will need to be carried out. In some cases, it will need guiding into its final position by hand signals, and this is referred to as marshalling the aircraft. Equipment such as passenger steps to allow passengers to be unloaded into the arrival area and conveyor belts to facilitate baggage and cargo to be offloaded and delivered to the baggage hall or cargo center must be positioned. Once empty, the aircraft will be cleaned and serviced, ready for its next departure. Before the aircraft leaves again, the passengers for the next destination must be boarded, baggage and cargo loaded, catering placed on board, and everything safely closed up. Once finished, staff may require to perform a final walk round of the aircraft to check that all doors and service panels are closed and secured, and then work with the cockpit crew to perform pushback from the parking position and engine start using a headset link or hand signals. Other services provided can include the provision of electrical power to allow the engines and internal power source to be shut down while the aircraft is on the ground. It may also necessary at busy airports to move the aircraft from its terminal parking area, especially if it is on the ground for a long time or need servicing. This is done with a heavy aircraft tug, the same type used for pushback. Airport ramp services also refer to more specialized functions such as cleaning the aircraft interior, serving the toilet waste tanks and portable water tanks on aircraft, as well as loading the catering into the aircraft galleys. At small airports with less flights than larger ones, the same ramp team may perform all ramp related functions, including loading, catering, cleaning the aircraft and de-icing. At most large international airports, however, these functions may be delegated to specialist companies. ഇനി നമുക്ക് എയർപോർട്ട് റാമ്പിൽ ഏതൊക്കെ തരം ജോലികളാണ് ഉള്ളതെന്ന് നോക്കാം. എയർപോർട്ട് റാമ്പ് പേഴ്സണൽ may occupy a number of different positions with various titles. Working in airport ramp services would mostly work outdoors next to the aircraft on the airport. Tasks could include moving and loading freight and positioning passenger steps or telescopic loading bridges. Opportunities available for advancements to positions of greater responsibility on the ramp in the load, cargo and baggage sections. Personnel work in the area may be referred to as ramp service agents or ramp agents. Titles for specific jobs include the equipment operator who loads and unloads passengers' bags, the aircraft groomer who cleans aircraft, the loader who assists in loading, unloading and preparing aircraft, and the aircraft catering worker who replenishes the meal services on aircraft. Team leader or supervisor would oversee the daily operation on the ramp and its staff. Responsibilities would include maintaining high standards of operation, ensuring maintenance of equipment and terminal facilities, and assisting in the selection, training, development and performance of staff members. Team leader or supervisor may be part of an aircraft movement team, guiding aircrafts into place and making sure they are correctly positioned on their stands. Prior to departure, supervisor would be providing power to an aircraft's electrical and air conditioning systems. As a driver linked by intercom to the flight deck of the aircraft, supervisor would support the captain on the ground by making sure the area is clear of personnel and objects before the engines are started. Personnel in airport ramp services are generally employed by airlines or ground service providers. The latter may be subsidiaries or joint venture companies of either the airlines or the airports or specialized handling agent companies. ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കില്ലല്ലോ. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.